Hey everybody, Donn Dabney from Left Coast Classics, and we got another cool one, another British car. As you know, if you follow my work, I love British cars. This is a 55 XK140 FHC, and it's really just a driver quality car. My friend John picked up. He's very eccentric, loves kind of really honest, great driving cars, and this car is definitely that. So it runs great, the engine's super strong. There's going to be a lot more information on the description, but it shifts great. It's got overdrive. He's put a modern stereo in it. All the gauges are working. Pretty cool. You take a spin. Even the blinkers are working, which is unusual. John is extremely tall, so he has these brackets that you'll see in the photos, so he can easily fit in the car, but those can be removed and the seat can be placed back in its total stock position. I'm kind of low riding because he's probably got 4 inches on me. But if you're really tall, you won't have to do anything. You could sit in this thing if you were like 6'4", and you'd fit just fine. It gets up a lot of power. It gets through all the gears really well. The overdrive works, you can see. I have to be in 4th. Going to 4th. There it is. Overdrive off, overdrive on. So that's all working great. The transmission feels really good. Just a really nice driving car, one you don't have to really worry about because it's not, you know, it's not Pebble Beach or anything. It's just a cool driver. You can see there we've got really good oil pressure. Amps gauge bounces around a little bit, but it does work. Actually, I said all the gauges are working. I don't think the petrol gauge is working. Well, when you tap it, it does. So you'll have to tap that. And it comes with the nostalgic St. Christopher plaque on the old dashboard there, for those of you that remember those. And it's got the timed blinkers, which work. Check this out. Put on. It worked. Yeah, it kind of works. It never worked that great, but anyway. There's left. You get a couple blinks out of it anyway. And if you look at the photos, one thing, I have a 63 Mark II. All these cars have such small mouths, so they don't take in a lot of air, and they kind of easily can overheat on a hot day. This has got a really beefed up cooling system. You can put in a very large radiator that's aluminum, and he's also got a fan on the front of it. So I think, you know, we've been out shooting the car's been idling. It's about, what is it, Frank, 80 degrees out? 78?
Something like that. It's pretty warm.
Yeah, we've had the car idling a good hour and a half and running cool as a cucumber.